Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set FaceTime in your iPhone settings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do to set up FaceTime on your iPhone is go ahead and open up the official settings of your iPhone. So if you do not already have them opened up or do not know how to open it up, just go to the home page of your iPhone right here and find the settings icon. So from the settings icon, you're going to go and tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started finding all the settings we have regarding our iPhone. So what we can do in this new menu is use the search option right here at the top of the screen. We are going to go and tap on it and then search for FaceTime. So search for Face, and as you can see, one of the options that's going to go and be given to us is the FaceTime option right here in the applications settings. This is what you're going to open up. So by tapping on this guys, this is now going to go and enable us to open up this new menu from where we can get started with searching for our FaceTime options, how to set it up, what default app we are going to go and be using is, and so on. And you can sign in with your Apple ID if prompted, and then you can go and select your phone number and or email address under you can reach be reached by FaceTime at right here. As you can see from where we can get started setting up all our options. Once you're done, just go ahead and exit out of the application and the settings, and this is going to automatically apply your settings, and now you can use FaceTime with that info. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.